Hi guys, Happy New Year, and it's 2025 and I decided to do a vision board. So let me share what vision board is. So to create vision board, all you need is some magazines or newspaper or flyers, whatever you like, okay? So I have this is my vision board that I've created for 2025, and I've heard that if you have a vision board, things will happen. So I cut out a few things from the magazine. So what is my center of attention? I love outdoor living. So there is my cottage right there. I wish I had one. Then let's start from here. I want to eat healthy. So I've put some pictures of salad. I want to drink a lot of water. Got a picture of this water glasses from a magazine. Then words to live by, like what you believe. It's very important. Then I want to have my home business, and I want to organize my house. That's my vision board for this year. It could be for a long time. Again, drink healthy, eat healthy, living outdoor. Then I want to travel to a warm place. I have my suitcase and some beach. And then at the bottom, I want to discover new places. So that's my vision board. So this is what it is essentially, vision board. And I think it's very, very relaxing. And it is very good for your health and wellness for sure. So when you have a chance, create one and see how much you can follow in a few years. So thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, and hope you will create a vision board. Thanks.